Hello everybody. We're looking at this beautiful Ferrari 488 Spider hardtop convertible. We did a very clean stealth install of K40 Electronics. We got a laser diffuser 1, laser diffuser 2, laser diffuser 3. They're very stealth inside the bumper installation, so nobody can see them. There's 2 in the back on the bumper, and when we go inside, other speed protection systems will give you maybe like a module here, another module maybe there, that will show you when you've been hit, also gives you some controls. But in this car, we give 2 blue indicator LED lights inside the dash there. You can't even see them when you get up close. You see them not even close. They're basically invisible to the naked eye, but they illuminate when the laser diffusers or radar, because there is radar detection in the front and in the back, they illuminate when the car is hit by a patrol officer clocking your speed. But with this car and the K40 system, speeding tickets are a thing of the past. K40 does guarantee they pay for your speeding ticket. If you get one, come check it out at Next Level, Orlando, Florida. Thanks again.